Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much to replace Tesla battery. Only way. Start by checking your vehicle warranty and battery diagnostics. Then compare dealer versus independent service quotes, note labor rates and parts availability, and verify battery capacity and range before committing. Consider reconditioning or module repair as lower-cost options, and always ask for written estimates, battery serial numbers, and warranty terms to avoid surprises. Battery size, chemistry, and degradation level shape the price, so start by getting a diagnostic report and percentage of original capacity remaining. Compare dealer labor rates to reputable independent technicians and confirm battery part numbers and lead times. Ask about refurbished modules and core credits as lower-cost alternatives, and factor in towing, software updates, and recalibration fees when budgeting for a realistic total replacement cost. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more content. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for downtime while your car is being serviced, and it fits easily in a glove box or bag. Check the description for the link and other deals, and remember, this is just a friendly tip. Now let's get back to the video. If cost is the priority, consider module-level repair or refurbished packs after verifying quality and warranty coverage. This often saves thousands compared to full pack swaps. Independent EV specialists frequently have lower labor rates and can source compatible modules quicker. Always request test data, warranty terms, and return policies, and weigh long-term reliability versus upfront savings so you choose an option that balances performance, budget, and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.